Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your existing Paxful account using the Paxful mobile application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, download and install the Paxful mobile app on your device and launch it open. Soon after you open up the app, you will come across this home screen. Click on the login or sign in button appearing at the top of the screen. You will then end up in the sign-in interface where you will need to type in your credentials to log into your existing Paxful account. Provide your registered email address or your phone number in the first tab. On the next field where it says password, enter your correct password for your account. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on Forgot Password button. Follow through the instructions and you will be guided through the process of resetting to a new password. If you remember your credentials, simply type it down correctly and tap on Sign In. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see this interface where you'll need to set a PIN to secure your account. Type down a PIN using the keypads at the bottom, re-enter the PIN once again that you'd like to set up, and you will then be able to see your account on the home screen. You will then be redirected to your home page where you can manage your account and start trading. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.